Yeah, da 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 da. Crack the egg and stir the batter. Learning comes with what you matter. Kitchen time is more than food. You're shaping minds and simple moves. Busy days and crowded plans. Still you guide with loving hands. Nothing extra, nothing new. Just the things you always do. You're already doing STEM. Each day and every meal you help them make. No big plans or kits to buy. Just notice what is happening nearby. Talk it through and ask them why. That's how growing minds will fly. In your kitchen every day, you are teaching STEM your way. Scooping flour, counting spoons, building math in afternoon. Halves and thirds and cups and grams. Real life numbers in your hands. You're already doing STEM. Each day in ordinary simple ways. No worksheets, no special tools, just everyday hands-on rules. Stir it, pour it, talk it through. They all learn because of you. In your kitchen every day, you are teaching STEM your way. Science shows in something simple. Butter melts and dough will rise. Change unfolds before their eyes. Following directions, one step here, then two steps there. You are teaching how to care. Plans and patience start to see. Life skills growing naturally. Yeah, patience. Waiting while the timer calls. Building focus through it all. Not in rush, but in the wait. You're teaching how to regulate. Clean the spills and wipe the plate. Showing them what helpers make. Hands get washed, tools put away. Leadership in small kind ways. You're already doing STEM. Each day in the life you live and led. No degree, no perfect plan. Just showing up the best you can. Ask one question, stay nearby. Watch their confidence rise high. In your kitchen every day, you are teaching STEM your way. So if you've ever wondered, am I enough? Remember this when days feel tough. Your every day is more than routine. It's where their future first is seen.